Toytopia! Hi guys, today we're gonna open this My Little Pony Fashems, and it says it has two My Little Ponies in one bag. So right here it says Squishy Pops. Let's hope these are super squishy. Okay, now let's open. Now open. I got a pony. Oh, cheetah. There's a little pony. Let's see. It's Pinkie Pie and Twilight Sparkle. But not boss. Why are original bots? Hold on.
Who's this one?
This is Twilight Sparkle. She is a squishy pop. It looks like Pinkie Pie is a diamond mashup. Her feet and her little tail. And don't forget her hair. Her face is really, well, her face is not that squishy, well. Okay, let's move on to the next pony. Let's put them facing each other. And let's move on to this one. I hope it's a different one. Who do we get? Oh, I see some purple out of this. I see some purple here. I wonder if it is Twilight Sparkle. Oh, I think it is. Let's see. It is. I don't know who this is, but tell me in the comments below. And I don't know who this is either. A section bottom so it can stick to the table or the window. Okay. Let's move these aside and let's open another one. Fluttershy! Okay.
What's the other one?
It looks like this one, and I think it's the same as this one. Okay, let's move on to the last fashion. Who is it? I wonder who it is. I hope it's a different one. Just popped out. Oh. Open Oh, guys, look it. It's the same. I don't know who this one is, but tell me in the comments down below. This is what we opened all today. Here, we first up in the line, we have Twilight Sparkle. And I don't know this one, so type down the name in the comments below.
If you know who it is.
If you know who it is. And this one, I don't know either, so type down in the comments below if you know who it is. And tell me in the comments below if you know who it is. Here, I don't know who this one is, so type down the name in the comments below. And these are the same, so I don't know who these two are. So type down the name in the comments below.
If you know who it is.
If you know who it is. Here is Fluttershy, and here is Pinkie Pie. Okay, we had so much fun today. We'll see you next time.